Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade apricot jam. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh, ripe apricots, 4 cups of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Next, prepare your apricots by washing them thoroughly, removing the pits, and then chopping them into small, consistent pieces. Don't forget to sterilize your canning jars and lids. Boiling them for 10 minutes ensures a safe and delicious jam. This preparation is key for a successful batch. Now let's get cooking. Carefully combine your prepared apricots, the 4 cups of sugar, and the 1/4 cup of lemon juice in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, making sure to stir constantly to dissolve the sugar. Once boiling, reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer gently for about 20 to 30 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent any sticking and ensure even cooking. Determining when your jam is perfectly set is crucial. To test, place a small spoonful of hot jam onto a chilled plate, let it cool for about 1 minute, then gently push it with your finger. If it wrinkles, your jam is ready. Once it reaches this point, carefully ladle the hot jam into your hot, sterilized jars, leaving precisely 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. This small gap is important for proper sealing. After filling your jars, wipe the rims clean to ensure a good seal, then apply the lids and screw bands until they are fingertip tight. For long-term storage, process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. This step creates a vacuum seal, preserving your delicious jam. Once processed, let the jars cool completely for 12 to 24 hours without disturbing them. Finally, check that each lid has sealed properly before storing your homemade apricot jam in a cool, dark place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.